Well, guys, here she is. I was able to convert this 64 Chevy fleet side into a 63. Now, my success, I guess, is determined by me, but I think it turned out pretty good. I did put it in this case. Just because this thing has to survive here until Christmas, and I have 2 little boys, so maximum protection as soon as I was able to put it in. Scoot you back here a little bit. The case I bought is this AMT kit. Mainly the reason I bought it over all the other ones was, and I don't usually build cars, so geez, you have to let me know if I made a bad decision here. But the reason I bought this one was you tie it to the base, and it's actually really stable. So I really enjoyed that. And my dad, if he ever has to move it or anything, doesn't have to actually touch it itself. So let's go over it. I think it turned out pretty well. Here's the front. This is my first time doing chrome paints. I think it turned out pretty well. Let's see if we can get a little more light on here. There we go. These front blinkers, or I don't know what those are, driving lights? I think they're blinkers. I actually use this old school Testors enamel. What is this? Turn signal amber. There's actually no glass in there or styrene in there. I think it turned out really well. After the fiasco that was this windshield that we'll talk about. You can see it's not perfect. It's a little gloopy. It is what it is, guys. All things considered, I've never made custom glass before. I keep saying custom clear parts before. What I ended up having to do, because I couldn't find any anywhere, I ordered this 0.005 inches thick clear styrene from Evergreen, and it is like a piece of paper. But it actually went in. Once I figured out how to do it, I feel like I got it in pretty good. And in the case, it looks really nice. So yeah, if you want to see here on the box, the difference is, try not to bust that. The cab is what's different, and instead of having this flat across windshield, let's grab this, you have this round one where it curves on the side. And so basically I just cut those off and flipped it, and I think it turned out pretty nice. I did modify the engine a little bit to be an inline 6, and it's not the best. I improvised a little bit, especially with the exhaust. I just kind of slapped it in there because I came down to the wire. This thing's going to be on most of the time anyways, so I didn't see the point. Trying to make it super crazy, and I needed to crack on with this thing. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm really excited to give it to him. My favorite part of this build was probably doing the planks in the bed. Just peeling the tape off, it looked really nice. All in all, I think I got lucky that I decided to go with the original release instead of whatever the version is now, because it was, at least when it was released, new tooling and everything. So actually, cleanup wise, very minimal. The only filling and sanding I had to do was actually on this, where these lights go in. This piece on the back actually is its own piece, so there's no seam there. And then on the front here, like where this grill and everything goes in, that's actually its own piece as well. And so I only had to, you know, use a little bit of sprue goo and some sanding to kind of tidy that up. All in all, I think it turned out pretty well. I'm not sure I'm going to be super into automotive kits. This wasn't definitely not, you know, this was the cause for some frustration. As you guys know, I really enjoy, you know, the Pacific era, and I'm eager to get back to that. I do have to finish the rest of this guy for my son, which should only take me about a night. I do have to say, though, putting it in a case like this is somewhat really gratifying. I just think it adds a nice touch to have it, you know, encased. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. This may be the last video. I may do a Monday update this coming Monday. But if I don't see you guys then, make sure to enjoy your holidays. And we'll see you in the next one.